Wagwan Massive, I'm gonna put you on to the best ice cream I have ever had. Now this is the Moya's Delight. They have dozens of flavors and they cater for those people like Jamaica walk by with lactose intolerant. So they have dairy and non-dairy flavors. So right here we have sorrel, guava, cotton candy, stout. So me not really like fruit flavored ice cream, so I'm gonna put the sorrel ice cream to the test. Incredible. Incredible. The Moya Delight is an experience. Creamy, no ice chunks. Mm. Sorrel flavor just turn up. Listen, run go over them Instagram page right now. Purchase your ice